Hey guys, today we're gonna go do tofu tortilla wrap. First, order your ingredients from any feast. Then you're gonna dip your tofu in an egg wash. After that, you'll want to cover the tofu in some vermicelli. The egg wash will help coat this. Try and coat as much as you can. Press it down. Remember to be gentle. And there you have it. It's time to fry up your tofu vermicelli. Meanwhile, you can chop your vegetables. An amazing combination with a lot of Mexican food is often onions and bell peppers, also known as capsicum. We want nice thin slices. Feel free to do this on the chopping board if you're a little worried about doing it in your hand. And now let's slice the capsicum. You can slice the capsicum depending on how you like it, whether you want it thicker or thinner. And there we have it. Now you're going to want to lay out your vegetables onto a tray so it makes assembling easier. And it looks pretty as well. There you have it. In the other bowl, I've put some salsa that I had left over from our other recipe. You can check that out on our channel. Squeezing just a tad of mayo in here. Let's check on our tofu. It's looking good. You want to fry it until it's nice and crispy, golden and crunchy. And then it's time to fry up our tortilla. Make sure you're just warming it up. We don't want it to get too hard and crunchy. That's reserved for the tofu, not the tortilla. There you have it. Not too crispy, not burnt either. Just warmed up, nice and pliable. Look at that. So now it's time to assemble. What I'm doing here is a kind of fold. You can roll it up if you want. You can fold it in half if you want. Serve this however you like. I've cut this into four sections, yes. And what I want to do is cover each section, put a little bit of salsa, cheese at the end, a little bit of chilies, a little cilantro, and then we're going to fold it like this. Oh man, perfect pocket. You're going to want to fry these up until they're golden and brown. And there we have it, folks. Wasn't that fast and easy? Pour some salsa on top and you're good to go.